If you need to reset your password on ManageEngine, follow these straightforward steps to gain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process step by step. Step 1. Navigate to the login page. Open your web browser and go to the ManageEngine login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Reset Password. Step 2. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from ManageEngine. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the reset link. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Step 5. Create a new password. Enter your new password in the required fields, making sure it meets any specified criteria. Confirm the new password and submit the changes. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your ManageEngine account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your IT support for further assistance.